Are you tired of rubbery whites and sad pale yolks? Do you long for breakfast to be a joy, not a chore? Well, fret no more, my darlings. Today we're embarking on a culinary adventure to unlock the secret of perfectly cooked eggs in just 5 minutes flat. That's right, you heard me. No more slaving over a hot stove. No more disappointing breakfasts. We're going to conquer the egg together, and it's going to be delicious. So, grab your aprons, my culinary comrades, and let's get cracking. This is going to be extra special. Before we embark on our egg venture, let's gather our trusty tools. Don't worry, you won't need anything fancy. Just a few kitchen staples will do the trick. First, you'll need a small saucepan. Choose one with a heavy bottom to ensure even heat distribution. No one likes an unevenly cooked egg. Next, grab your trusty whisk, ready to beat those eggs into submission. Of course, we can't forget the stars of the show, the eggs themselves. I recommend using fresh, free-range eggs for the most flavorful and vibrant results. And lastly, a pinch of salt and a grind of pepper are all you need to season these little beauties to perfection. Now, with our tools assembled, let's move on to the fun part, cooking those eggs to absolute perfection. All right, lovelies, let's get down to business. This is where the magic happens. Our 5-minute egg extravaganza begins now. First things first, fill your saucepan with about an inch of cold water. Place it on the stove and turn the heat to medium-high. While the water is heating up, crack your eggs directly into a bowl. No need to dirty another dish. Once the water comes to a gentle simmer, carefully lower the eggs into the water using a spoon. Set your timer for 5 minutes. This is crucial for achieving that perfect, slightly runny yolk. Now just sit back and relax. Section 4. Yolks of Wisdom. Tips from my kitchen to yours. While our eggs are simmering away, let's talk tips and tricks. Achieving egg excellence is all about the details, my dears. First, ensure your water is at a gentle simmer, not a roaring boil. This will prevent the eggs from becoming tough and rubbery. Second, don't overcrowd the pan. Give those eggs some space to cook evenly. For those who prefer firmer yolks, simply add a minute or two to the cooking time. And if you fancy a touch of decadence, try adding a splash of cream or a knob of butter to the water for extra richness. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Section 5. Ready, set, scramble, ding. 5 minutes are up, my culinary champions. Carefully remove the eggs from the water using a slotted spoon and prepare to be amazed. You'll be greeted by perfectly poached eggs with gloriously runny yolks just begging to be devoured. Season them with a pinch of salt and a grind of pepper, and they're ready to steal the show. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your ingredients, set your timers, and get ready to experience the joy of perfectly cooked eggs in just 5 minutes. Happy cooking, my darlings.